Hi, I'm Dr. Ray Wisniewski, America's Healthcare Answer Man. We're here to talk about repairing a herniated disc. Number one, we need to say what causes a herniated disc. And what happens is the disc is mostly made out of a fluid, it's water, but it's a jelly inside surrounded by a thick ligament called the annular ligament. So you have the nucleus of the disc, which is a jelly surrounded by this ligament. In order for the disc to herniate, that ligament must tear. So what happens is there's a tearing of the ligament, that jelly is bulging backwards. So number one, that can only occur if there is a malpositioning within the spine, creating more stress within that ligament, causing that to move beyond its physiological space, meaning it's gone beyond more than what it's supposed to move, tearing the ligament. Now, what we need to do is first reposition this using a specific chiropractic adjustment, a structural corrective adjustment to allow the vertebra to move back into its normal position. Now we need to take the pressure, take this bulge from the herniated disc, we need to pull it back again. What we're going to do is a specific type of traction known as a Flexion Distraction. And this is done, we use this manually. There's a lot of different machines out there to do this, and I really don't like not having control of this. Let me just show you how this works. This is an actual photograph of a herniated disc where we see the disc bulging backwards. This yellow material right here, that's supposed to be the center right here. The ligament in the back, this posterior common longitudinal ligament, should be going straight down from here. When there is a tear, there was a tear allowing this material to bulge back. Now what we will do is correct the positioning, then I'll do a specific type of traction where, just look at this, if we're laying face down, we're going to pull this backwards, and as this pulls back, the ligament that's attached onto it is going to be stretched back. That's going to be pushing that forward, but in the same sense, what's going to happen is we're going to create, it's going to create like a suction, because so it goes and just pulls that back. It's going to suck the disc right back into its normal position. So as we're sucking that into the normal position, then we need to keep this in that position without causing stress that's going to move the disc back. And so what we need to do is decrease what's called turgor pressure within the disc itself. And that pressure is going to be relieved by putting a very tight brace. And it's not that you can't move with the brace. We're going to put the brace on. We're going to tighten it as much as we can. That's going to increase the abdominal pressure. Once we increase that abdominal pressure, that's going to allow the less pressure on the disc itself, allowing it to heal. We're going to add great nutrients like Boswellia serrata, glucosamine, N-acetylglucosamine, super nano green tea, balance the first morning urine pH. We have a specific protocol for that. That's going to transform and allow this body to heal from these disc injuries. The other thing is positioning. Do not sit. You're better off to lay down, knees bent, or on your side, pillows between your legs, and we'll have to show a specific procedure on how to move, how to get up, and above all, no twisting.